The center is a beautiful 6.5-inch fussy cut. Use our new fussy cut ruler and then add your triangles around the outside, and the stripe frames it. Beautiful. Find the center of the stripe, line it up with the center of the patchwork, flip it right sides together, and pin 1/4 inch in from the very edges. And then just go ahead, start at that pin, and sew from one side to the next. You have those side pieces out of the way. Take the fussy cut ruler and line it up with your pin mark and the outside edge, and draw a diagonal line. Stop at the pin. Now, you want to make sure those stripes line up. So with a pin, just put it through a stripe on the top, lift it up, and peel it back so you can see that you've lined it up on the opposite side. When you have it perfect, just go ahead and sew on that line. Just use that straight stitch, stop at the pin. And before you go on, open it up. You want to make sure you have a perfect 90 degrees. Check from the back side. Tuck that background up. When you press it, make sure. Use your fussy cut ruler to check and see that it's a 90-degree angle. When it's perfect, trim it.